Hello. Yo. Hello, everyone. Hi. Skibbervy good link. Hello. 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 Yo. What is up? Fimsh indeed, yes. Yo, am I coping too hard? Do we go back to Godot? Oh, thank you for sending me to EU. Hickeys, let's go. Am I being too harsh to Godot? Do we ditch Devi and head back into Godot land, or do we continue our bevy adventures and hope it's not cope? Link. Who knows? Yeah, hello everyone. Hi. It me. I'm back. Isn't it a Godot jam in the first place? No. No, it's just a game jam, right? Right? Yeah, let me bring up the page. Is it a Godot jam? I don't think it is a Godot jam. No, there's nothing about Godot. No. It's just like, make a game. Easy peasy. You can use whatever you like. Did you change the game? Well, like, okay. I was trying to make a fucking... Here we are. We're already... Why is the text still here? Fuck off text. Oh, thank God. There's so much more room on screen now. The text is gone. Oh, so refreshing. Anyway, so like, all I was trying to do was make a grid of squares that alternate colors, and then also have like our property like highlighted or not highlighted, and maybe if we got to it, like maybe have like it change a texture or something when we do that. Easy enough, right? But heckin' fucking no. It has to be so heckin' complicated, and there's like 16 different steps, and yeah, I don't know. You tuned in on the crowds on fire. Not even live for 8 minutes, it's true. Yep. Hello, Pix. Hi. Hello. Just make a game easy peasy. Well, I'm not even saying make the game part. Like, just make a grid of squares, or like a grid of models that sometimes changes the texture. Like, how hard should that be? Apparently, super fucking hard. I don't understand. Like, it probably just comes down to I don't really understand the Godot workflow, and so with like the more complicated stuff that I do want to do that makes it easier to use later on, I can't set it up that way because it forces something that I'm not familiar with. So it's probably a skill check issue, probably. But yeah, we started remaking the game in Bevy. Not that we got very far in Godot. Like, we're more or less at the same spot at the moment. Like with the like 2 seconds that we did yesterday. We got most of the way there, and we're just adding the character sprite and starting to animate it. Even before you fell asleep, you did say you missed Russ last time. Do you remember well? You vote Bevy too. Oh my God. Did I say I missed Russ? I don't remember that. Actually, you know what? I was probably fuming. I was like, what does this mean? How does this work? Actually, I think I remember the time, because I think I was looking at some examples and they're like, oh, dude, you just fix it by adding an export. But because it extends resource, you're not allowed the export thing. So having the export keyword there doesn't work because it complains about it because it's a resource. Oh my God. Yo, I was not very animated before just now, so what a start to the stream. I hope everyone's day's been good. Mine certainly has. I've been productive. I got my sleep in. I'm very close to finishing all of Doctor Who. I'm up to like the specials that have David Tennant in it again. I'm up to special number 3 now. That's the next one I'm gonna watch. And then we have like 5 more episodes in total, and then I have to find a new show. I have to find a new show to watch. It's only taken like fucking months to get through all of it, but most of it's been enjoyable. Super fast speaking ranting Al is best Al. We love Al rant. One day at a time. Wait, what's one day at a time? Oh, a show, a very nice show. Yo, one day at a time. Wait. Why does that ring bells? One day at a time. Have I seen this? Why does it ring bells? Let's have a look. Hey, I know this show. One day at a time. Oh my god. Holy. Yeah, I've seen this show. That was a fun show, if I'm not mistaken. Holy. It does have the cool actors in it. Like the mum. The mum was pretty cool. And then the kid trying to act all cool a lot of the time. That was pretty fun too. Yeah, one a day at a time. I've seen that. That shit. Yeah. I remember enjoying that. But yeah, so we'll be getting to yanking the animations from the animation example for our little thing. Well, I'll modify it so we have multiple animations, and it'll be nice. And then what? And then we'll get to like making the game with game mechanics. Like the good part that makes a game. Let's hope at least. Like that would be nice, getting some like actual game mechanics in there, because like so far all we've made is technically we're just setting up a screenshot and that's it. We're just like the long way around to what's already been done. So yeah, we should get started. Let's get started. Boop. Hello. Look, it's code. Wait, I'm on the wrong side. I should update my my EU algorithm. My EU algorithm. It needs updating. Update my. Yeah, we are in bevy. It should be mostly fine as long as like things don't get fucked, and as long as things don't get fucked, I think we're good to go. And whether or not like is this right? This is right. Yeah. Yes, so at the moment we have 2 cameras. There's a 2D one and that one, and it has an ordering issue. That's fine. But yeah, the point is the camera resizes the pixels to whatever it should be, which is what we want actually, because we'll be making a texture that it renders to that's going to be 48 by 48. So each pixel will actually be each pixel, and then we're gonna put that on a 3D plane and have that plane face the camera. And then yeah, that is that. So that's what we're working on to start with, and I guess we get started. As usual, I will double check YouTube. YouTube seems fine, and the Twitch seems fine. We don't seem to be lagging. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we have sprite from Atlas in image. That's fine. This camera. We do need to make the camera render to a texture, but we're gonna do the animation stuff before then. Okay, so I did have. Oh no, I did have the window open. That had the tab that I needed. I did have it up and open, but then I must have put it away. I put it away and now I don't know where it is. Oh no. Oh, this is the problems you have when you have too many browser windows. I really should close like 6 of them. At least 6 of them, if not more. Yo, someone did message you. Message me. Um, sorry. Okay, let me find this window. Yo, where did the one I found? Okay, I think I found it. I think we're good. Yeah, this has the Surdy Fields thing. Yeah, this is yesterday. This brings back memories. Nora's chair. Hello. Hi. Welcome. Welcome. Okay, tab navigation. Wait, what? I don't remember opening that up. Scroll? Wait, this is something else entirely. Yeah, okay, this is from a different time. So this window, we're just closing that window. We don't need it anymore. I don't know why it was still open. That one we don't show on stream. That one is Disney. Yo, where did this window go? Duh. Wait, I can just search tabs, right? And we go Rust. I think I found it. Yeah, I found it. Nice. Here we go. How many tabs do I have open? It's more like how many tabs and windows do I have open? And the answer to that is many. Many is the answer. Finch. Hello, Andy. Hello. But yeah, many. Yeah, I found it though. We made it. Okay, so how do they do this animation? So they have trigger animation with S. Oh, wait, how does that work? The system runs when the user clicks the left arrow or the right key.
And yet subscribed for 1 month.
Yo.
Prime is back.
Heckies. Prime is back. Thank you. All your badges and emojis broken on Twitch mobile? Oh no. Oh no. Yo, I added badges to the Twitch event sub, and I haven't released a new version or added the badges to my overlay. Oh, that's pretty cringe. But yeah, heckies. Okay, so how do they run this? So they get something with an animation config with S, where S is the component. Oh, this would be like an animation component. So this is heckin' small. Which mobile is done? Apparently it is. And they have it. Wait, input pressed. Is this just a system? Find input common conditions. Interesting. Yo, phone, chill out phone. Sorry. Okay, sick. It decides to stop sending messages for some reason. You need to close and force it, and yeah, that's true. Same. Although I don't have to clear the cache though. That seems wild. Clearing the cache. Maybe sometimes buttons just randomly stop working. Yeah. Yeah, it's almost like Twitch doesn't have a handle of how their own API works, let alone how to make an app. But that's okay. Maybe I need to port my library to Android, which I think you can do already, and then I'll make my own Twitch app, and then people can watch Twitch and send messages from my own Twitch app. What are we sipping on? Tea. We're sipping on tea. I think it's just English morning tea. Because it's 9:13 p.m. so or 21:13. Although I believe it may be morning elsewhere. Yeah. Query execute animation. So what does this do? So track how long frame time it ticks the delta, and if it's finished, we continue. We index the. Right. Okay. So that's fine. Frame time, is that just a timer? Yeah, it is just a timer. Okay. So we're basically yoinking this and being okay with it. T-Pog? Yeah, T-Pog, like, as any, like, any native British would be drinking, of course it's gonna be tea. mm. Yeah. Okay, so basically, right sprite. Wait, why do they have this as a component? Oh, because they say a component with that sprite. Here. Timer. So create a new timer when the animation is triggered. So they reset the timer when the animation is triggered, and that means this is just finished. So that happens until. Oh, this happens until it gets back to the first frame. Oh, I see. Okay, this is not helpful though. Well, it is helpful. We do yoink this. We do yoink this actually, and this, but I think we change the animation config a little bit because like we need to know what animation this is, and currently, why are we looking at just animation config? Currently, they are just the same. They're just two different textures. Yeah, the two textures with a single animation, and we need the multi-animation. Okay, so we just copy this. Let me bring this over here, I think, and then we pop this up. And here we'll start doing some nice stuff. So we'll make that animation its own little file. Because if you start your project dirty, your project's gonna be dirty, and if you start your project clean, then you're gonna have a very clean project. Wait, so we have a plugin. This takes in a big zoom because we're not zoomed in enough for the mobile viewers. Even then, it might be too small. And yeah, so we just have an animation plugin here. And up here, we'll just go mod animation. And then under plugins, we'll just go animation plugin. Like so. Clean line, yeah. Cleanma. Sausage British. What? Sasuga? Sasuga British citizens? What is Sasuga? Wait, I feel like I've heard this before. I feel like I've asked this question. Also, hello, Dagger. Yo, is that like Okay, question for those who. Oh no, I removed it. I removed the chat box. Fuck. As expected. Oh, right. Oh, Sasuga. Yeah, what's the word for what's the word for nostalgia? Oh man, it's like something super common that I know, but I forget. And then like I don't remember if it's a word or a phrase, but it's like it can't be helped. Man, I used to know so much more Japanese. I'm gonna learn one day, of course, of course. I'm gonna learn all of the languages. I'm gonna become my like when it comes to languages, I don't know. At the moment, I feel like multi-pass on languages would be pretty pog to have alongside my actual multi-pass. Natsukashi? Yeah, that sounds about right. Yeah, I love that word. Okay, so animation configuration. This we can stay the same actually. Although, do we give it a name? No, we don't give it a name because derive component. Actually, is this a component? I don't think this is a component. As long as you don't learn Finnish, all is well. I don't plan on learning Finnish. I guess we'll see. Struct animations. So animations will have is this just gonna be like a little like tuple in here and it will just be like string followed by animation config? Well, how do I know which one's active? Okay, we don't do this. We don't do this. So here we have the active animation, which will be a I32, and no. Everything can be a component if you want it to. True. There's a Japanese term for eating, not because you're hungry, but because your mouth feels lonely. Lol, it's kuchisabishi. That's why you ate a whole slab of Swiss chocolate today. Oh, not the lonely mouth. Was it tasty at least? A slab makes it sound like more chocolate than a chocolate block. Also, hello Nora. You're in time. You made it after your chair, so you have somewhere to sit. I hope you've been well. Yeah, I'm back in the EU. What the mouth feels lonely. Yeah, I wonder if someone uses that as a pickup line. Like either a male to male or a person to a dick haver, I guess. A person to a dick haver, they're like, yo, my mouth feels lonely. Oh my god. Why am I so fucked up, chat? Holy. I'd for sure use that. Hell no. I might do it as a joke, but I wouldn't be using it. And I wouldn't even. There's no way I'd follow through. What do you mean, surely? Someone held. Yeah, well, like, the problem is, like, you can only send so much help all the way over here. The best way to help me in, like, long term, it's like, you send help to Al for a day. No, it's like send help to Al helps them for a day. Send Al to EU helps them for life. Right? Oh man. Gonna have to try that next time you. Oh my god, no. Yeah, thank you for feeding the fish. Since she's too deep, even Pennywise is impressed. Even Pennywise is impressed. Well, because they're like always in the storm drains. Yeah, I wonder if I met the turtles along the way. Do you think I'm best buds with the turtles? Although I guess I haven't been to America, so maybe there are no turtles. And maybe they also choked on all the straws, so it's probably like a 30% chance after all of that, like that turtles even exist, and then even less that I ran into them on the way into deep into the gutter. Yeah, I was talking to someone today, I think. Or was it yesterday? Anyway, I was thinking about a show that I never watched when I was little, but I did start watching when I was older, like a few years ago. And it's called Miraculous Ladybug. And I was like, holy, that is a show. That is a pretty good show. Turtles are like birds in Finland. They don't exist. Yo, what countries do exist? Because Australia doesn't exist. French doesn't exist. France doesn't exist. Birds don't exist. Finland doesn't exist. What else doesn't exist? Is this the owl unfiltered part of the stream? What do you mean part of the stream? Is not the whole stream unfiltered? There's a German city that doesn't exist. Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. It didn't exist. Bielefeld. Ooh, yo, maybe I should go from one non-exist place to another non-exist place. The only country that does exist is Guatemala. Why is Nora's chat message empty? They're not. It says Bielefeld. Wait, did Twitch fuck up? Yeah, Twitch fucked up on your end. I'm sorry. I missed the joke. Oh shit. I got. Fuck. That's hilarious. That is a good Oh my god. Okay, vector animation config. Well, actually, okay. So animations are we only gonna have a set? I think because we know the limitations or the no limitations. I think we have just a set of animations, and so animations have an enum. Then we go. What do we go, chat? How do we go? Brum brum. Enum animation variation. Yo, that rhymes. Yo, animation variation. And we'll have idle. So, yo, I cannot spell idle. And then we have walk, right? And then, well, like at this point, well, yeah, you make this enum an event. No, you don't. Well, yeah, you do. No, you don't. Yeah, you do. Oh my god. Yo, what is wrong with me, chat? Something happened. Yo, why does component not work? Oh, because animation's not working. Oh yeah, okay. So at the moment, I'm facing a configuration crisis because if we have a set animations, I could just go animations and then have walk and idle here. But if we have like generic animations, then we can have a vector of animation configs. And then I guess type would go in here. So this is animation variation, and this holds a animation variation. And so when we play the walk, oh yeah, this might be how it is. When we switch to the walk animation, it searches this for the animation variation of walk, and then it sets it to the active one. Or if it's idle, it does the idle one. Yeah, Yo, Fimsies! Yo, who's excited for the Fimsh stream? The stream where we're gonna rank all the Fimshes, like all the different Fimshes in the world, and learn about them. I'm pretty keen. I don't know which day we're gonna do it. Maybe Friday. Maybe Friday. Today is Tuesday. Maybe Friday. We're gonna cosplay. Just when am I gonna cosplay? Well, like, where would I even go? Like, cosplay where? I mean, not like, yeah. We do have Supernova and Comic Con here, but it's very small. It's very small. Yo, Nora, nice. Yo, Nora, if you ever have a Fimshi you wanna submit, you have the right amount of points for submitting a Fimshi to show up on screen that can also get accessories and eat food and all of that. Just FYI, just in case you have a need to do art and don't know what to do. I could cosplay at home. True. Advertisement if I wore a film shot. It would be a disaster. It would be a disaster. Yeah. What if I wear? Well, like, what if? Okay, yeah, I don't know. I'd be probably wearing an owl outfit, but then I'll bring my Fimshes in a lot of different ways with me in the cosplay, rather than being a Fimsh myself, because I'm not a Fimsh. Sometimes when I have to cross Twitch streams, it is safer for me to inhabit a Fimsh, to interconnect the stream boundaries. Because sometimes it's the streams can be treacherous, and it's yeah. One, but could be one. Sure, yes, yeah. Okay. Right. Animations is a component that is fine. We have a walk thing. We need to make a system, so we have a system, right? Left, medium. Oh, this active. This can be an option. An option of U size, I think. U size. Because it's either on or off, and if it's on, it has an animation, and if it's off, then it's off. Your walk is in someone else's stream, yeah. Yeah, well, like, I would have showed up, but yeah. Snow in Oz, is it Pog? If only, yeah. True. Thank you for making it snow. Yeah, I want to see a Nora and Kayas, but I wasn't watching. Clearly, it's my fault though. I wasn't watching. GG. Like, why wouldn't you wear cat ears? No, the real question here, Nora, is did you wear cat ears on the train? If so, then that's pretty pog. And I approve. Oh, it's Chris. Hello, Chris. Hello. Hi. Thank you for the raid. I hope your stream went well. I wasn't online before I went online, so I have no idea what you're up to. I hope it was good. You were playing something. What is that? Oop. Sorry, I'm having a little stalk as well. Yeah. Oh, you did some art, heckies. Yeah, why is there a clip saying we kiss girls here? Is there something? You know what? Fair. That's pretty based, actually. Actually, pretty based. Anyway. Chris was working on butt-related stuff. Yeah. I guess I'm not surprised. They do grow up fast. But yeah, thank you for the raid. I hope you enjoyed your butt-related stuff. And just be safe and don't get hurt. Easy enough, right? But yeah, for hello, for the people that don't know me, which probably is a few. I'm alkaline, as you can see on screen. Probably we have finches, which you can definitely see. You can feed them; they're pretty pog, and we're working on a game jam today. Game jam stuff. NovaLiminal's game jam. In fact, yo, I have a question. Wait, do I have a question? Yo, can someone tell me if I had a question? I remember I told Oz to do something at the start of their stream, but I forgot what it is. You worked on so many animations for your final boss. Oh, and all it says is one part of an animation. Fair, but you got to get that jiggle working when they do the big attack. Surely, but yeah, that's pretty pog. That I'm excited. I'm excited to see your game. Wait, are you working on the Nova Game Jam 2 base? Is that what all the 3D model? Like, I know you were doing 3D models for the art jam, but are you working on the game jam as well? If so, pretty exciting. If not, though, that's fair too. You're doing 3D models and animation prep for game jam. Heckies, let's go. Oh man, I'm excited. Wait, does that mean we're gonna get some quality crease programming streams? Oh, is that what's gonna happen? We're gonna get some more crease programming streams. You finally see my Nora's chair. It's gonna happen next month for real. Heckies, let's go. Well, I'm excited. I hope it goes well. I'll be lurking. I'll be flirking. A lurking, flirking. Wow, why does that rhyme? Well, I guess it's a flirgin, not a flirkin. Although, what is a flirkin if it's not a flirgin? One guy involved with. I mean, it does make sense. Like, have you seen Doctor Who and Captain Jack Harkness? Like, they had the dematerializer. I don't remember, and they still had a gun. So it is clearly a verified place to store things. Flecken, a kinda kindred of Fleur. App. Animations. App. We were making a system. We're making a system. So this is a play animation. No, it's just called like animate. We'll animate the animations. And this takes in a query, not a quest, a query of a mutable reference of all animations, everything that has an animation. So we just got animations. And we also need time. So time, which is time, which is a resource. And I think this is it, if I'm not mistaken. And then here we go app.run systems. No. Something else. You understand everything that's being said? Yep. You're not clear this? You don't need it. That's okay, I stayed in. Speaking of pulling things out of your butt, The boss takes out their weapon from their butt in the intro animation. That's what Nora is referring to. Oh, yes. Yeah, what kind of... Oh, spoilers. Spoilers. On point. Nice. And systems update. No, fixed update? Wait, do animation... No, it's fixed update because it's an animation. Right? Or is it something else? Dual stun batons. Holy. How big is the boss? Animate. Okay. So we are 4 animations. Animation in animations? Question mark. We go if let's and the anim and idx is equal to animation dot active. Oh, actually, what we do something even better than this. Even better. 2-phase boss. First phase will be mecha form. Whoa. Yo, I'm excited for your game. I'm excited to see it get developed. I'm already pumped. Let's go. Yo, mechas are kind of cool. So here, we'll go implement animations. And we'll go pub fn. We'll just call it like play. I guess we could call it animate. Let's just call it play. And it takes in time of resource time. Well, maybe it should take in something else. That's okay though. This is a mutual reference of self. And then we go if let sum of animation idx is equal to self dot active. So if it is active, then we go self dot animations on the animation idx dot updates. Well, I guess we should call this update, right? Because it's not necessarily playing. This one is maybe playing. I was referring to the Eccleston era of Doctor Who episode Bad Wolf. That is probably true. Wait, was that an Eccleston era? That was definitely Rose. Did we not have David Tennant at that point? I swear we had David Tennant at that point. It's like Satellite 16 or something. 33. 46. There's 2 Satellite episodes early on. It's the final 2 episodes. Right. That does make sense. That does make sense, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, animations, updates. What does this need? It just needs time, right? We just pass in time again. Time and time again. This might need to be a reference. And then here, this is where we go implement. What are we implementing? I don't know what I'm implementing anymore. Animation, not clip, config. And then we go hic and hic again. Okay, so pubfn updates. I cannot spell update. This is problematic. Not self, and we take in time, which is a resource of time. And then here, this is where we do the shenanigans, which is self.frame timer dot tick, and we pass in time dot delta, and then we go if self.frame timer dot just finished, then We need to... Oh, we need to query some extra stuff, actually. We do need to query some extra stuff. Okay, so this is where we just yoink the code from them, because it's gonna be the same. Even if I was to like work it out, it'll end up being more or less identical. So, right, we need the sprite. So we need the sprite. So this comes with a sprite, I think. Then here we go. Sprite. Wait, can we even do this? We might not be able to do this because here, what happens here is we pass in sprite here, which is a mutable reference to sprite, and then we put sprite in here as well, and then here we go sprite, which is a mutable reference of sprite. You're a spicy Korean instant ramen thing? Oh no, which one? Which one is? Are you gonna be dead? I thought you were sick. I'm pretty sure having spicy Korean spicy like while being sick is actually not good. If you die, oh my, don't die, Astutin. Okay, so we are if that's sum. Atlas is equal to sprites dot texture atlas. So if it has a texture atlas, we do stuff. And we go if atlas dot index is equal to self dot last sprite index, then we're finished. We're finished. So we put atlas index back into self dot first sprite index. Otherwise, we go atlas index plus equal 1, and then we reset the timer. So self dot frame timer is equal to I think it's like timer new, and then we go duration from seconds, but instead of from seconds, it's from seconds f32, and then we do 1.0 over self dot fps as f32 as well. f32, and then timer mode is once. This is self.atlas index, right? No, this is just atlas.index. This needs to be a mutable reference. Thank you for attending full free fall. It'll clear the sinuses really well, at least. Oh, that's true. That is true. Spicy foods cleanse your sinuses. Yeah, it is. But like, I don't know. Something about Korean spicy is like, I don't know. It feels different to me. Because you're right. I'm all for spicy food when the sinuses are dead. It's like the best thing you can do. But I don't know. Like Korean spicy is something else. I think it's like a different beast entirely. Maybe I'm just a scrub. Maybe I'm just a scrub. It does feel different in my mouth indeed. If any spicy hits different, it's non-spicy. You can't prepare yourself for. What is non-spicy? Non-spicy. You regret a bit. Oh no, Astatin. Yeah, everyone should give Astatin the pats. And if someone has like like a cream emote or a milk emote or anything to like cool down the spice for them. Like Szechuan pepper. What's a Szechuan pepper? I don't think I've had a Szechuan pepper. Do those exist? Maybe they just have a different name. I mean, of course they exist. What am I saying? I don't know what they look like. Wait, is this the stuff with aniseed in it? What is this? Well, I'm gonna sneeze. Is this like aniseeds? Cream? Oh my god, no astatin. In Chinese, mala. They are peppercorns. Are these spicy though? Numbing peppers. Wait, so they're not spicy, but they have a numbing effect? They are numb spicy? I think like these look kind of feel familiar, and I think I just didn't like their texture and their taste was kind of shit too, and so I just kind of avoid these. Yeah. You had mapo tofu? I didn't like. I've had mapo tofu once, and I did not like it at all. Mapo tofu. Yeah, no, because like not only in the one I had at least, not only did they use silk tofu, which I cannot stand, but like the soup part was kind of like I don't know, I just didn't like it in the slightest. But it looks like there's a lot of different variations, so at very least the one I had I didn't enjoy. Food today. Yeah, somehow we always end up at food. Maybe it's because like I make food and eat food every day. Numbness is a debuff that amplifies the spicy. Does it? That seems backwards. You're solid. Thank you for watering me. Like regular black pepper spice, but black pepper's not spicy. It doesn't stick the way chili pepper spicy does. Well, there's a bunch of like chili sauces and peppers that don't stick that are spicy. Food debate part of the stream. Can't look at food without water. What do you mean salad? Thank you for feeding the finch. Yo, a dumb finch is eating the food too. Holy. Black pepper. Black pepper. These things, like, don't they put them in the cylinders that you do the back and forth crunch 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 thing that like gets you bits and pieces of black pepper for your food? Or is this something else? You grind them up? Yeah, I have them every day. I have them every day then. Like, wait, let me go check this actually. One sec. Yes, so I have black peppercorn. There you go. I have black peppercorn, and this is what I call pepper. And it's what I put just like when I like it's not spicy. Like it has a unique flavor to it, but it's not spicy though. Black pepper not spicy. If you I have not black or not enough. Yo, I can look. I'm gonna make if you want. I can put a bunch of black pepper on a teaspoon, and I'll just have it fresh, freshly ground. Yeah, it is freshly ground. else has been open for too long. It shouldn't be, like, we seal it up and whatnot. It should be somewhat spicy. Well, like, it's not really spicy, it's just flavor, right? Because, like, pepper has a very specific flavor to it that isn't spicy flavor. Those grinders tend to give a pretty coarse grind. Coarse meaning you get finer grains out of it, or more coarse grains out of it, which means bigger pieces. What do you mean by coarse grind? Fresh black pepper does have a bit of spice, but not as much as chilies. Coarse equals big chunks. Fine equals small. Yeah, I know. You said coarse grind, which I didn't know if that means the grinders are coarse. But yeah, so like, should it not be more prevalent though? Because like, if they're bigger chunks, then they should be more spicy. Like I small equals more surface. Small equals more surface area. Yo, is that true? You should get some cook on. Okay, okay, I understand what you're saying now. So you're saying if there's more surface area, it's more spicy, such more peppery. It was French feeding time, by the way. Actual chef spitting facts. Like, I don't know, it's like, with more surface area, the flavor comes out faster. You best go to sleep. Have a great rest of my stream. Thank you, Chris. Have a good sleep. Good night. Thank you for the raid again. Chef spitting in your food. Better be into the chef, and then it's kind of a pog thing rather than a ick thing. But that's, that's pretty weird. It's pretty weird. It's probably not a pog thing, honestly, because it would be messing with the consistency of whatever you're making, and then that could just fuck up the whole food to start with. This is why powdered sugar also. Yo, what the fuck is sugar that's not powdered? What kind of sugar isn't powdered? Like, sugar only comes in powders? Question mark. Sugar comes as powdered and ground. Does it? Ground sugar. Oh, this is the fancy sugar. This stuff is expensive and hard to find. This stuff is when you want to pay like 16 times more. This is heckin' fancy sugar. Holy. Use normal table salt powder. Well, we call table salt. That's just, well, these are like bigger things, right? Okay. What I did forget is I don't buy sugar. Okay, let's preface this one. I don't buy sugar. I haven't had sugar in my house, like, as an individual item in a long time. Like, I bought it once for, I don't remember. It's been a long time. I end up not having a lot of uses for sugar. So I was thinking of, wait, was I thinking of flour? No, because the sugar comes in the same thing flour does. So I was thinking of sugar, But yeah, this stuff is like hella expensive. What is normal sugar for you? Wait, you brought up salt. Oh, that's why I got confused. Salt. Well, like sugar. Okay, and normal sugar is it's like this stuff here. Granulated? Granulated. Is it granulated? Yeah, let me have a look at the one I find in store. All less sugar. Let's have a look at what type it is. Sugar equals flour. It doesn't equal flour, but like it comes in the same fucking thing. Okay, so it comes in the same fucking thing, which is this thing. And does it say what it is? Cane sugar. Oh, it's just cane sugar. Disclaimer. Paper bags. Is this paper? I don't know if it's paper. Because yeah, if I have a look at the flour comes in the exact same thing. Here it is. Let me get the images of them. So this is what flour comes in, right? And this is what sugar comes in, and they have more or less the same texture when you open them up. But let me. So this is triple sifted flour. This is sugar. Wait, sugar. Does it say here? It just says cane sugar. Granulated seems right. I guess neither sugarcane nor sugar beets grow particularly well in Australia. This stuff costs like 50 cents per kilogram. 50 cents? 50? Okay, it's... How many is this? Yeah, look at that. $1.80. So it's like 50% more expensive here. I was gonna have a full-on culture shock when coming here. Is it icing? It is not icing sugar. This is your fucking like if you're buying sugar for like baking or anything, this is what you get, because not only is it cheap, but it's sugar, so it's like sugar flavor. Yeah, I'm ready for the culture shock. Give it to me. Give me something that I don't like, something wild. Like there's also caster sugar, but that's not icing sugar. Oh yeah, if you want brown sugar, by the way, it's heckin' more expensive, but I think that's normal, right? Oh shit, it doesn't fit. But anyway, it's $3.30 for 1 kilo of brown sugar. So it's like double the price. But I think that's normal for brown sugar because it's fancy. Here's icing sugar. Icing sugar is more expensive again. We just go new. If we just go 1920 by 1080. Here's icing sugar. It's more expensive again for a kilogram. 180. Yeah, I know. So it's double the price. Here in Poland, sugar seems to cost around 119.80, so not far off. But euros though. Euros according to Salad. Wait, what? Didn't Bix just say they're like 50 cents? 50. Yeah, okay, question. when you have something below €1, is it 0.50 euros or is it 0.50 cents? Or do you have your own thing? Is it like 0.50? Is it like £50? No, that's UK, right? Pounds. Is it pence? No, that's UK again, I think. Brown sugar is way more expensive but tastes better. 50 cents is cents. Euro has euro cents. Okay. Does brown sugar actually taste better? Like, I've tried both, right? I've tried both, and like, brown sugar does have a different flavor, but it's like, it's still sugar, no? Is it not? Polish currency grows there. Listen, salads from Switzerland. Oh, right, yeah. He does have a different currency, but they said euro, right? Or is it, hang on. So yeah, this is where I need to like, there's two symbols that are very different that I keep naming the same thing because brain dump. White sugar tastes ick outside of baking. Brown sugar is good. What do you mean tastes ick? He converted it to euro? Well, they should convert it to AUD. White sugar is too pure? Does that mean you just use less? Yo, more sugar. Jam sugar? What is a jam sugar? Brown sugar has extra flavor from the molasses, yeah. Jam sugar is sugar plus pectin. What's a pectin? There's things you use sugar for, there's things you use brown sugar for. Sometimes you mix both for cookies, for example, to get the right texture. Oh, I see. I don't know if we have jam sugar here. Yo, do you want to see my honey? So, you know, this is what I use for honey. Agave. Because it's like the same texture and everything, but it doesn't come from beans. But it's because I also kind of like agave's flavor. Use that too, heckies. Let's go. Yeah, what I was looking for? Yeah, what is jam sugar? I've never heard of that thing before. On that note, I don't know what demerara sugar is, but it's here. Look, does anyone know what a demerara sugar is? Oh, look at this. See, like it's got the big crystals. It's got the big ass crystals. And it's $3 for 300 grams. Holy, this thing's expensive. Pectin is gelling agent similar to gelatin, but from plants. What about agar? Agar is also a gelling agent. That's pretty cool though. Most sugar in Finland is produced from sugar beets. Jam sugar is what people use that don't know how to properly cook jam with normal sugar. Demerara is a place. Sweet tangent, of course. Are we bevy? Yeah, all the way. Honey is also a thing that tastes 1,000 times better in Europe compared to Japan. Or like, is that possible? Usually has some citric acid that gives it a fruity flavor. It's just a kind, yeah, it's a heckin' expensive kind apparently. Apparently. You go back to farming slimes, heckies. The slimes have taken over. Thank you for your input. Enjoy your slimies. But yeah, we're back to bevy. 100%. 100% bevy. How expensive is just molasses for me? I don't know if we can just get molasses. Hang on. Let's go new window. Molasses. Imagine getting take it. Yo. Yeah, exactly, salad. That is something. So apparently molasses just doesn't exist. Look at this. Out of stock. It won't even tell me the price. Molasses. Let's see if there's more. There's 2 products. Okay, here we are. So it's like about $1 per 100 grams. Like here. So 400 grams is 350 AU and 600 grams is 750 AU. These are the only 2 options. Otherwise, molasses just doesn't exist. Treacle? To your knowledge, you don't think you have a lot of different flavors than honey? You don't know about Finland, but in France there's a bunch of different honey. What? How can you have different flavored honey? Do you feed the bees like apples only, and then you have some apple flavored honey? What do you mean? Different plants? Oh, so it is like feeding the bees only apples. Oh, I see. Yo, what? Do we have different flavored? Oh, nice. Hockeys. What bees consumed? Yeah, it's like feeding coffee beans to cats and then using the coffee beans when they come out the other end, and then they make some fancy ass coffee out of that, or as pigs or horses or whatever. Treacle. No, I was looking for something else. There was something I was like, oh, I need to look up that real quick, and then it went away. I forgot. They are not cats, they are civets. Are you reducing the animal cat into like something, or is civet as a thing? Oh, it's a different animal. Okay. It looks like a possum. Or whatever the fuck Australian possums are. Who even knows? We do have treacle Nora. It is also is a little bit cheaper than molasses. 850 grams for $6. You call it animal cruelty coffee? And no non-hipster gets that coffee. Yeah, sounds like heckin' expensive. No, you don't actually. Well, you just confine them just to those ones, right? Possums and marsupials. Well, like possums in Australia are something completely different, apparently. Look, possums. We've been over this, but we'll go over it again. Wiki. Let's go Australia. Bushtail possum? Question mark. Yeah, here we are. This is a possum. But apparently that's different to other places. Possums are not equal to opossums. Yeah. Oh no. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what is this creamy one? Hang on. What is this? What is this, like? This looks like off honey. Honey doesn't look off, but like, this looks like honey that's like gone moldy. And the whole thing is just mold now. Also, who even has this honey thing? Like, it's just a different type of honey. Sometimes sugar crystallizes out of honey. Yeah, most of the honey I see is this darker one here, I think. Like, this is honey colored. That's probably just crystallized. You have one of these. How do you even use it? Like, doesn't it like... Isn't it just like one more utensil to wash up? Because you... Well, like, okay. All of our honey, or like 90% of our honey, comes in a squeeze bottle, and so you just squeeze it onto whatever you have, and you don't need this weird wooden stick thing that you have to also like clean and like get into the grooves and stuff. Oh, there's honey that looks like that. Yeah, this is all honey. I can see that. If honey crystallizes, okay, there you go. I haven't had real honey then. Easy. You just need to boil it if it crystallizes. Squeeze bottle? You mean plastic waste? Of course I mean plastic waste. I mean, I have agave rather than honey, but it's still like a squeeze bottle. But like, these are plastic too, no? I mean, some of these are glass for sure. This one doesn't look like glass though. This one doesn't look like glass either. These two do. That one does. Maybe they're all glass. I'm not sure. This looks plastic though, this left one. You just need to boil it. Boiling honey. Doesn't boiling it crystallize it though? Wait. Yo, maybe I just haven't had real honey like ever in my life. It all looks like glass. This looks like the fucking plastic one though. Like, it has the plastic shape, and the grooves don't have like the glass refraction thing. I don't know. I'm skeptical of this left one, and maybe this big one. Those are glass. You usually get honey in a glass because anything that comes out of plastic is usually wacky. The plastic shape. You've never seen that? What do you mean you've never seen that shape in plastic? That's literally... It's literally impossible. Like, it's like this shape. Like, this is plastic, but like... Oh, man. I'm gonna, like... It's gonna take me too long to find the thing that I've had that's in that shape that is plastic. White looking honey isn't as runny. It's more like a spread. More like a spread. Yeah, I am keen. I would love to have an identity crisis. Just give it to me already. I'm gonna be revealed. Yo, you know what Aston told me the other day? They told me they have vegan Nutella, and I'm like, what do you mean you have vegan Nutella? I want vegan Nutella, but we don't have vegan Nutella. Like, if I want Nutella, I have to get the fucking animal Nutella. Like, we don't even have a choice here. Like, what the... You would spread it more or less like you spread, like, Nutella. So pretty gooey. Nutella's hella gooey. You know, some people just eat honeycomb wax and all. I've seen that before. They made you try vegan Nutella. Was it good? Isn't all Nutella? No, it has fucking milk in it. You thought they use plant fat? No, they use milk in it. Nutella is mostly palm oil and sugar. Hey, let's have a look. Nutella. What is the ingredients of Nutella? Products. Yeah, what are they trying to do? Nutella and go. What the? So this is Nutella, right? Hello? Nutella jar. Yo, what is this? Yo, look, they're doing a creepy the creepy thing. I don't even know how they do that, but it's like kind of weird. I guess you just draw the frames, right? Yo, what the? Yo, this is kind of cool, actually. You know what? I kind of vibe with this thing. Like, it's kind of weird, but I kind of vibe with it. Oh, fuck, that scared the shit out of me. What the? Oh, the door just closed. Nutella's too sweet for you. You're not a fan? That is true. It is very sweet. Hey, it's made by Ferrero. Holy. You don't even eat that much Nutella in the US? Well, the US already has everything full sugared, so you don't need Nutella anymore. Yeah, they use skim milk powder. There you go. Skim milk powder. So the vegan one doesn't use milk. You rarely get Nutella, so probably. Yeah, what's you? You fucking like. Don't. How is it not you? What? Did I not spell? What is it? I'm so confused. I know you're not Astatin, no. I wasn't talking to you. Yeah, look. Astatin Chan says I very rarely get Nutella, so it probably wasn't me who said this. It's got nothing to do with you, no. Astatin's whole sentence right here. It's like one of those Apple product pages. You scroll and the motherboard gets revealed. I've never seen that before. Sugar is number one ingredient. Palm oil is number two. True. Like, I don't know the point. You saw the vegan Nutella on the German Reddit. Oh, fuck. Italy loves Nutella? Yeah, it was probably the German. Shit. I swear it came out before then, but I guess not. I guess not. God damn it. You're right. You're right. I got it mixed up. Sorry, everyone. Yeah, I still have my my black peppercorn here. Given Nutella is a basically oily sugar with a bit of flavoring, you swore to yourself you'll never buy it again. Well, as with all things, like if you have a tiny bit, like on a rare occasion, then it doesn't actually matter. Like, but yeah, sure, that's fair. That's fair. Like, if you get tempted by it, and not having it in the house helps not being tempted by it, then that makes sense. How do we even get from pepper to sugar? What do you mean? They're only a few steps away, because when you're having like salt and pepper, like sugar's not that many steps away from it. It's still like an additive that you put into foods. So rather just have a regular chocolate made from cocoa beans and cocoa fat. I mean, does like in terms of chocolate that's here, like the German chocolate is far better, and I'm pretty sure the UK chocolate is also far better. But it also means that we have a lower grade chocolate here, because the melting point of most chocolates from Europe is like lower than the chocolate here, which is why they make them different here. So they taste like shit here, and thus Nutella ends up being a better thing to have, because like it's better. It's not like specifically made like in Australia for Australia, that ruins its flavor. Yo, I need to get out of here. Nutella is super extra super oily and sweet. And like, was that ever in debate? I don't understand. Nutella's more hazelnut than cocoa. That's true. That's true. Nutella's too intense. We'll just have less of it. Like, I remember like putting like you don't use thick Nutella. You don't like thicken it up. You use like you spread it so that like you have small patches of Nutella and small patches of like nothing on it. So you have this like extremely thin layer of Nutella on that, and that way you don't it's not too intense and it's balanced out by the bread or the toast you're putting it on. Kind of like how most people don't have experience with. What you do with Vegemite is you put like the tiniest part amount on it, so some of it's just plain toast, and the other part's like a tiniest little bit of Vegemite, because Vegemite's too fucking intense and it's all just salts. Too bad you can't get Marmite. Why would you want Marmite? I tried Marmite again, and it's Vegemite, but they made it worse. It has like the worst aftertaste in existence. When you do get chocolate spread, you prefer the more chocolatey ones. The more chocolatey ones. You mean like the less hazelnutty ones? Yeah, what kind of chocolate spread's more like? What chocolate spread is there if it's not Nutella? Was it British Marmite or Australian Marmite? I don't fucking know. What is Vegemite? Marmite is the milky version of Vegemite. Vegemite is like 90% sugar, if I'm not mistaken. Nuspli. The fuck is a Nuspli? Nuspli. It's a GitHub repo. It's a simple packet loader. Yo, what is this? This looks fancy. Yo, this looks pretty good. On palm oil. Yo, it's palm oil free. It's nougat cream. My God, what the? Yo, I think we found something pretty based. It's still hazelnuts though, right? Well, what is this? Well, that's an almond. That's a hazelnut, I think. You have different variations. Well, this is bell mandel, not nuspli. Yeah, fuck off, Vegemite. Give me your ingredients list. Oops. What is a mighty dog range? What the? Do you want to get your dog dressed up in Vegemite? What the recipes are range? Vegemite nutritional info. Yo, where's my ingredients list? Hello? What? I don't want recipes. Wait, does it say here? No. I'm gonna have to go to a different website to get the recipe. You should get that for your dog. Why? Why? Also, anyone that has Vegemite in a fucking tube like this is disgusting. This stuff is like, this is probably closer to Marmite. Maybe that's why it's disgusting. Tubed Vegemite is far worse than regular Vegemite. Yeah, look at this. Where's GIMP? What is it? So So we get yeast extract followed by salt, followed by mineral salt, followed by malt extract, and then some colors and flavors, and then the lysine, and then the thymine, and the riboflavin, and the flotate. So you got like 2 different salts here, plus a malt extract, which I'm pretty sure malt flavor is like kind of salty, right? Malt is a cereal grain made to germinate by soaking water and then stopped from germinating any further by drying it with hot air. It's made to make beer, whiskey, malted milk, malt vinegar, whoppers. The fuck is a whopper? It's not a burger. But yeah, I don't know. Well, I don't know. At least one day I'll definitely try British Marmite if I haven't already. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be disgusting. Is malt is made of malt. Yeah. Calm down there, Satan. Brush your teeth with what the astatin. Do you want to get timed out? Yeah, you think astatin feels like getting timed out with that kind of comment? Holy. You've been to Malta, you didn't see much of Malta. Oh my god, astatin. Why are you like this? Such a devil. Devilish. So we have this update function, but it's apparently it's defined here. Did I pass in the wrong thing? Oh, we have this in the wrong order. This should be sprite followed by time. Slimeology. Animate. Yeah, I think Astatin's asking for a little timeout soon. GG. C fucking G. Okay, can we do this? If we go animation, then we go update. Wait, why did it not work? Animation is a animations? No? What do you mean it's unknown? Anyway, this is an update, and we pass in sprite and time. See, I don't know if we can pass in sprite in here because we're borrowing both of these already. Do we have to borrow this one too? Well, this one we have to borrow mutably because it's special like that. And then what's wrong with this? Expected immutable reference of sprite. So I guess mut sprite is here. And then animation needs to be immutable too. And then what's wrong with time? Use of time moved. So we pass in a reference of time here, right? And we come down to the function where we use it. And we just put a little reference here. The happiest. Oh my god. And we put another little reference here, and then we're done. Spring pad. Animation. Oh, this needs to be mutable as well. You have too many emotes. Send help. You're meant to send emotes, not get help sent. Oh, there we go. That is the thing. That is the thing. Not quite though. Because we need to know if it's looping or not, right? Because if we go How do we know if it's looping? Do we make it loop? Yeah, I guess we make it loop until we play a different animation. And so what that means is just here, we just cut this out of the if statement and we just reset the timer. And that way it always loops. And if we come into a case where you need it to not loop, then we'll get there. We'll get there when it matters. But it doesn't matter at the moment. Okay, so we did all that animation stuff and we don't even have like any animations, so that's something. So I guess here we just go animation. I guess we don't have a new, do we? Animations? Yeah, active and then animations here, anime config. So if we go active, we go sum of 0 is active, so the 0th one is going to be active, and then we go animations is going to be a vector of honey. Then we go animation config. Yo, what did we call it? Oh, it's not public. That's the problem. Yeah, animation config. Then here we have animation variation. I love that. Animation variation idle. Idle. Does this need to be public? It does need to be public. Public it up. We come back here. So animation, then we have sprite. Well, if we just save this, right? And we tell this to fill in import animation config, yeah. Then we fill in fields. So yeah, so we have animation variations idle. First sprite index, I believe, is 0. And then the last one is 4. Or is it 3? 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. And then the FPS, if it's 200 milliseconds, 200 milliseconds each. We have 4 frames. That's 250, 2.5, 10? Is it 10 FPS? And then the frame timer is just going to be default, I guess. Yeah, why isn't it auto completing? Oh, because it's just a timer. There's a timer from seconds. And we just go like duration from seconds F32 1.0 over 10, I guess. And then the mode is timer mode. Yeah, okay, we need to clean this up after this. Because we're putting in too many variables. But why is it like giving us errors and stuff? Like what's wrong with you? Do we not have animation? Do we call it something else? Animations with an S. This is animations, which means we do need to import it. Is it not public? It's not public. God damn it. And then it's going to complain because these aren't public, right? Import. Yeah, okay. Public and public. Okay, and then animation config is not public either, so let's fix that out. We should probably just make a builder, but that's for a later problem. What is wrong with this? Duration? What? What do you mean inline macro? From seconds. I think it's just new actually. Integer FPS? Yes. For now, I guess. Well, like, I shouldn't be setting it here anyway because it's set elsewhere. This we should be setting here. Weird. I mean, it's pretty normal. That is not normal though. Although I'm surprised it's working. Okay, so does this need to go up to 4? Is that the problem? No, that is... Wait, that shouldn't make that happen anyway. So I think there's something wrong with our texture atlas, right? I mean, we're getting an animation in general, which is nice. But it's wrong. Okay. So we put this at 3. This first sprite index is 0. Let me try again. See, this is missing a lot of frames. Like, what the? Because, like, hang on, assets, characters, red mage. Yeah, so it should be here. Why is it not letting me zoom in? It should be 0 to 4, right? So, did we do the atlas texture wrong? From grid, where columns is first. Shit. There's 4 columns, 2 rows. Okay, maybe this will fix it. Is that too fast? Wait, that's not right though, right? Hang on, let's open up the file. In a folder. No, not new folder. Reveal in file manager. Okay, so yeah, it does just become white and then back to, so it should be brown, brown, white, and then brown again. Is that what's happening here? Yeah, it is. Is that too fast though? Maybe I should do it by milliseconds instead of seconds. And we'll just presume it's always the same. And then from seconds, so we need to do self.milliseconds multiplied by 1% question mark. Wait, we can do from milliseconds, right though? From it's from micros, from milliseconds. Okay, we can do from milliseconds and then we don't have to do any weird dividing. And then I think it was 200 per frame. Or was it 100 per frame? I don't remember. It strikes you as arbitrary requirement that speed and anime. Well, like all like movies and stuff, they always go off like 12 frames or 8 frames or whatever. But I was just yoinking the example they had in the bevy example repo from milliseconds. Oh right, milliseconds can be U32. That makes sense. Or actually U64. Yeah, I should not be setting this myself. You thought it was a library? Nah. My own interface? It's the example interface. Wait, is this working? So wait, are we meant to be going up to the last index or including that? So if the index is equal to the last index and we make it the first, well, it should be greater than though, right? Did I copy the example wrong? Oh, my finger. All right, if we're already on the last index and we're trying to find the next frame, the next frame is the start frame. That makes sense. And so, wait, I remember them starting with 1 or something weird. Do they index and atlases by 1? Yeah, they have frames 1 to 6. Is that right? Oh, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fine. Wait, if we go to 5, we should start seeing the walk animation now, though, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So hang on. If we go from 5 to 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 4 frames. And this will only work if... Okay, yeah, it doesn't work, yeah. That does explain it then. So this should be 7, and this should be 4, I believe. So, wait, how did I just undo both of those? Because what, we go 4, 5, 6, and then 7? Wait, why did it do the idle animation? Wait. Oh, because we're starting. Right. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Okay, so it is sort of 0 to 3, followed by 4 to 7. Okay, nice. Yeah, I should make this an actual, like, give it actual, like, not make it shit like it is currently. 4 to 7. That's okay. So this is the walk animation. Save. Why are you not saving? Hello? I fucked up. It's not saving. Is it saving now? Yeah, there you go. Okay, there we go. Now we have an idle animation and walk animation. Okay, so this is what we wanted. We're actually good. We're actually good now. So we get rid of all this. Okay, nice. And then, but yeah, Grim made this cool little animation plus the walking one. It's very, very talented of them. Now we need to render this camera to a texture. You know what fucking up is? What would fucking down mean? Uh, 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 I don't know if that's TOS friendly. When you really nail it, true. Dude, do we not use mesh anymore? Ah, that's hilarious. Okay, this is good. Okay, let's render the character to a texture, and then probably get a texture back. So here, screen space, depth passes, depth op. There's going to be a 2.5 grid game. I think that is what it's called, yeah. I think so. Okay, we need to yoink the example for rendering to texture because I've done it before and it's pretty easy, but I like to get the fresh thing. So find texture, CPU drawing, pixel. What is this? Pixel grid snapping. Okay, shows how to create graphics that snap to a pixel grid. What the? Spawn mesh. Pixel perfect layers. Set up camera. This image serves as a canvas for representing low res. Yeah, so this is basically what we need. Because yeah, they have a render target for the camera. Oh, nice. Okay, that's not what we need though. All right, custom mesh, render to texture. This is the example we need. So yeah, we just kind of copy all of this. Copy. So yeah, we have a image size of 48 to 48. And then we fill that size with dimensions. Import dimensions, import texture format. That's fine. Texture usages. That's also fine. We need to grab the images, which is just the assets of images. So that just gets pasted here. Like so. Well, did I not import export X10 3D? I did not. We don't care about this cube stuff. Goodbye, cube stuff. We need camera stuff. So the camera stuff is here. So we go camera followed by defaults. But then we have target is the image handle, and then the clear color is clear. Wait, is it like color none? The into? What's wrong with the image handle? Oh, we need to clone it. So if we do that, do we still get this priority thing issue? Because we shouldn't see the texture on screen anymore because we're rendering it to a texture instead of on screen. Oh shit, we still see it on screen. What the? But wait, we don't see the 3D thing anymore. Did I put this on the wrong camera? I did put it on the wrong camera. It's here. I don't know if scaling mode is... Oh no, that's fine. So now we shouldn't see it. Yes. Now, if I was to use that texture instead of the base texture on the cubes, what happens? Here we go, sum of image handle dot clone dot into. Is there a reason for color none instead of option none? It's got nothing to do with, like, it's a clear color. Like, really, we should just do clear, clear color config and then do none. I don't know what option none is actually with the double dots. Okay, so it does work. I mean, the UV, it's not UV mapped to this cube, so that's fine. It is updating, and it's... Wait a second. Is it losing its aliasing? It might be getting weirdly aliased. Anyway, let's create a a plane for this thing to exist on. So, yeah, we will want to move this character loading all into its own thing. Okay, so let's create a frame, a plane. Sorry, so commands dot spawn, followed by mesh 3D, and then we go meshes dot add, and then we go plane 3D. Do we use a builder or we just go 3D? New, which puts it... Creates a new plane from a normal and a half size. Like some... Is it even an option? I don't think it is an option. Clear color, yeah, clear color is not an optional. This is a bevy set camera. This is part of the camera set on the bevy camera internal thing. So there is no like none thing. Well, there is, but it's part of clear color config. So you have default custom with the color or none for the clear color. We gotta make it PR. The normal and the half size. So we need the normal to be well, if we make it a vector 3 Z, and then the half size is vector... Wait, is half size F32? So vector 2 splat 24, and then material mesh 3D. Is it not a material mesh 3D? I swear, maybe it's a mesh material 3D. Maybe this is where I keep getting messed up. Yeah, it is. Actually, it should be 2D though, right? 3D. image handle into. You wonder why I do it this way? Normally default is done via default trait, not via and none via option. Don't know. Okay, what's wrong with this? Mesh material 3D. What have I forgotten? Oh, it's materials.add, I think. And then color material, presumably. Materials.add, color, material. Then this is base color. And then default. I'm missing a close bracket. No. Yes. Wait, so there's no comma here. There is a comma. I know, material 3. There's a comma here, followed by this. Yeah, why have I forgotten how standard material? Standard material. This is not 2D. What is wrong with Chloe? Oh, this needs to be some. This is some. No, it's not some. Wait, what? A base color texture. Okay, that's where the problem is. This is texture. Clear color config with American spelling. Yeah, clear color config. It lives inside of bevy render camera clear color. Oh, because clear color none means it's transparent rather than white or a color, and so presumably it discards it. So if we click play on this, I have a feeling we may not even see the plane. Maybe we should rotate the plane until we do see it. Ah, wait, it did work. It did work. Wait, it's massive. What the? It's also doing some stuff it shouldn't do. Okay, so we go transform from no basic from transform looking at it needs to take insult looking at I guess we go from X, Y, Z, and we'll just put it at 0 for now. Okay, looking at, we want it to look at the camera. Do we know the camera's location? Oh, we do. So we go let them up to camera location is equal to this. We'll automate all of this with components and stuff. Camera location, save. This is camera location, and then the up is vector 3y. Wait. Do we need the opposite z for the plane itself? So this plane, if we go negative z, when we tell it to look at the camera, is it looking at the negative z? They have their own defaulting system, some global world thing going on. Wait, why is it upside down? Why is this upside down? So if that is if we put negative y here for the looking at, does that kind of just like solve the issue? That seems wrong though. It is wrong. If we do the negative camera, so it's the opposite way, surely that works. Because I think what's happening is it's being turned to